You wake up and check your Google business profile and your stomach drops. You've been hit with 3, 5, or even 30 one-star Google business reviews all at once. Then you get an email or even a Google business review that says, pay us or we'll post 20 more. This isn't hypothetical. This is the exact extortion scam that just targeted a wave of restaurants and businesses all over the Philadelphia area and was featured in a story on NBC 10 Philly and 6 ABC. As these news reports showed, seeing your reputation attacked like that in the public is terrifying. Your first instinct is to panic, and your second might be just to pay them to make it go away. I'd encourage you not to do either. Paying them only proves you're a target, and it funds the next attack. These review bombing scams are a new form of digital organized crime. But you're not helpless. As a digital marketing professional, I'm going to give you the exact 3-step action plan for what to do when you get Google business reviews that are fake, especially if they're part of a coordinated attack. Step 1, don't panic. Build your case. Before you do anything, stop and gather the evidence. You're going to need to build a case file to send this directly to Google. Your single most important piece of evidence is that extortion email or message. Screenshot it immediately, save it. This is your smoking gun. That proves this isn't a real customer, it's an attempted extortion. Next, document these fake reviews. Create a document, list the reviewer name, the date of the review, a direct link to it, and a screenshot of it. For the reviews, look for patterns. In the Philly attack, all of these reviews hit at once. Are the reviews posted in a short time frame? Do they use similar language? Are the names suspicious? Write it all down. This is proof that it's an organized attack. Step 2, report those reviews in the right way. You have 2 different ways you can report reviews. For a scam like this, you probably want to use the second one, which is a more powerful method. Method 1 is called the quick flag. This is for single one-off reviews. You just go to the review, you're going to click the 3 dots, and you're going to say report review. This is fast, but it's a low priority signal to Google. I'm going to show you how to do that. This is one of the restaurants that was attacked in this coordinated effort. I'm going to show you the process. We're not going to report it because this is a review they responded to. But you're going to go to Google Maps. You'll search for the business. You'll find the review. You click the 3 dots. Here's how you can share and copy the link to the review. Here's how you report. So you click report. And then you'll see something that says fake or deceptive review. You'll click this, and then you'll complete the process. That's how to go through the process for reporting the review. Like I said, that's called the quick flag, right? That's a low priority signal to Google. So number 2 is the Google Business Support Forum. This is the red alert for Google. So when you have an extortion scam or a review bombing attack, you can find this forum in the Google Business Profile Help area by searching, GBP report suspicious reviews. I'll put a link in the description so you have it, but you'll go over here to the Google Business Help Center. And when you go in here, you'll see something that says fix issues with your business profile. You'll click that, and then you'll see something that says report inappropriate reviews on your business profile. So you'll click that and follow the instructions. This is where you're going to upload your case file. You're going to provide your business name, direct links to all the fake reviews, the timeline of events, and most importantly, screenshots of the extortion email. When you do this, it turns a simple my word against theirs into a clear-cut case of fraud, which Google takes much more seriously. The next step is you got to decide if you want to respond to these reviews. While you wait for Google to take action and be patient, this could take days or even weeks. The big question is, should you respond publicly? My advice is simple. If this is part of an extortion scam, do not respond. Do not engage. Responding only confirms your account is active and that you're paying attention, which might encourage them to do more damage. If this is just a single review and it's not a scam, then a professional response can be smart. This shows that real customers that you're responsive, but I would keep it calm and brief. You could say something like, hey, we appreciate the feedback, but we don't have a record of the customer by your name or any details matching this experience. We're investigating, but if this is you, contact us so we can learn more about the experience. It's a polite way to do this, and it doesn't accept blame, and it moves the conversation offline, which is something you want to do. Getting hit with fake reviews like this, especially these businesses in Philadelphia, feels like a direct attack on your reputation. And Philly, we don't like attacks on our reputation. But you have a plan here. You don't panic, build your case, report it using the right channels, and never feed the scammers by paying them. You could get through this and protect your hard-earned reputation. Have you ever received a review that you knew was fake? What did you do? Share your experience in the comments below, and let's help each other out. If you're tired of playing defense on your online reputation, Contact Beyond a Creative, we help businesses with a proactive review strategy that insulates them from damage like this. That's all we have for today. Until the next time, thanks for watching. Have a great day.